So here's a tip for some of you that live in an older home. Today I'm looking at a system that has cast iron drain piping and copper vent piping as well in drain piping. So the problem with this type of thing, well, there's a couple of things. First of all, we got a lead flashing flange here for the toilet. I always tell people just stay away from it, don't lick it, which is something you're not going to do anyway. It's totally safe, but lead is, as you know, is not a safe thing to be floating around in the air, but for the most part that's going to be okay. The cast iron piping and the copper piping is subjected to decades and decades of sewer gases which eat away at it, and soaps and scums and so on. And here you can see there's a bit of a blister forming here. So that pipe, which is about 1/4 of an inch thick to start with, is deteriorating, and it's paper thin in that location at least. So eventually you're going to find that you have to take away and cut away some of this cast piping as it deteriorates. It's 3-inch diameter on the outside. Sometimes you get to the inside. If you cut that off, say with a hacksaw right there, chances are it's only going to be about 1 inch in diameter on the inside. So eventually it plugs off and gives you all kinds of grief, and you have to change it. It's like anything, I guess. As it gets older, it has to be looked after. The other thing is this copper piping, it has a tendency to deteriorate as well. And what you have to do with that, basically the top of the pipe where the sewer gases go, it'll get pinholes in there and you'll start smelling sewer gases. It won't necessarily leak, but that's the problem you run into with this stuff, is the sewer gas smell.